Und et memores Domini nos servituis et et plebs tua sancta Iusem Christi Filii tui Domini nostri, tam beate passionis nec non et ab inferis resurrectionis, sed et in celos gloriose ascensionis, oferimus preclare maiestati tui.
As usual, the priest joins his hands before making the sign of the cross. The first 3 signs of the cross are made over the chalice and the host together, the 4th solely over the host, and the last solely over the chalice.
Ostiam puram, ostiam sanctam, ostiam immaculatam, panem sanctum vitae aeternae et calicem salutis perpetue. Supraque propicio et serenutur respicie retineris et acceptabere sicut acceptabere dinerus munera pueri tui justiabel et sacrificium patriarche nostri Hebrei, et quod tibi obtulit sumus sacerdostus Melchisedec sanctum sacrificium immaculatam ostiam.
At the words Supplices te rogamus, he bows profoundly, holding his hands joined and resting on the edge of the altar. He kisses the altar, redresses himself, and makes the sign of the cross first over the host and then over the chalice.
Supplices te rogamus omnipotens Deus, iube perferi permenus sancte angeli tui in sulema et aretum et conspectu divine maiestatis tue ut quod. Ex altaris participatione sacrosanctum Filii tui corpus, et sanguinem sum serimus.
Then he signs himself and joins his hands.
Periodem Christum Dominum nostrum. Amen. Memento etiam Domine famulorum quetuarum, qui nos precesserunt cum signo fidei, et dormiunt in somno pacis.
For the memento of the dead, he raises his hands and joins them, and fixes his eyes on the sacred host, while making a short commemoration of the dead for whom he should pray. He extends his hands, continues the prayer, joining his hands again and bowing at the conclusion of the prayer.
Ipsis Domine omnibus in Christo qui escentibus locum effregerii lucis et pacis, ut indulgeas et precamur, per iudem Christum Dominum nostrum. Amen. Nobis quoque peccatoribus.
As he says the words Nobis quoque peccatoribus, the celebrant strikes his breast lightly.
Mattia Barnaba Ignazio Alexandro Marcellino, Petro Felicitate Perpetua Gata Lucia Agnete Cecilia Anastasia, et omnibus sanctis tuis, intra quorum nos consortium, non estimator meritis et venie quesumus lagitor admite.
At the conclusion of the prayer Nobis quoque, he joins his hands and disjoins them again, making 3 crosses over the chalice and host together.
Perquam omnia Domine semper bona creas, sanctificas, vivificas, benedicis et prestas nobis.
For the prayer per ipsum, the celebrant uncovers the chalice and genuflects. He takes the host with the thumb and index finger of his right hand. Then he transfers his left hand to the node of the chalice and makes the sign of the cross with the host 3 times over the chalice, saying, Per ipsum et cum ipso et in ipso. And immediately he forms 2 other signs of the cross over the corporal between the nearer rim of the chalice and his own breast. He then holds the host straight over the chalice, and there steadying his right hand, he raises the host and the chalice a little in a straight line, saying,
Omnis honor et gloria.
Having laid the chalice on the altar and the host in its usual place, he purifies his fingers over the cup, joins his thumbs and forefingers, and covers the chalice with the pool. Both hands on the altar within the corporal, genuflects, and then says,
Per omnia saecula saeculorum.
Let us have another look at this.
Per ipsum, et cum ipso, et in ipso, est tibi Deo Patri omnipotenti, in unitate Spiritus Sancti, omnis honor et gloria. Per omnia saecula saeculorum.